Welcome to this tutorial on when to use TD Bank Online Banking. TD Bank Online Banking is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. First, let's start with the basics. TD Bank Online Banking allows you to view your account balances and transactions, pay bills, transfer money, and more. You can use it to check your account activity, including deposits, withdrawals, and any pending transactions. One of the most common times to use TD Bank Online Banking is when you need to pay a bill. You can set up payees and schedule payments in advance, ensuring that your bills are paid on time. You can also use online banking to transfer money between your TD Bank accounts or to accounts at other banks. Another time to use TD Bank Online Banking is when you need to check your account balances. You can view your current and available balances, as well as any holds or pending transactions. This can help you avoid overdrafts and keep track of your spending. You can also use TD Bank Online Banking to manage your accounts when you are traveling or away from home. As long as you have an internet connection, you can access your accounts and perform transactions from anywhere in the world. In addition, TD Bank Online Banking is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making it a great option for those with busy schedules. You can use it to manage your finances at a time that is convenient for you, whether that is early in the morning or late at night. To get the most out of TD Bank Online Banking, it's a good idea to set up account alerts. These alerts can notify you of low balances, large transactions, or other account activity, helping you stay on top of your finances. In conclusion, TD Bank Online Banking is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances more efficiently. Whether you need to pay a bill, check your account balances, or transfer money, online banking is a convenient and secure way to do so. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of TD Bank Online Banking and take control of your financial future.